We've all been lied to. This is the best way to cook a cheeseburger ever. King Gus on TikTok gave me this recipe and I have to try it out because he says we're cooking burgers all wrong. Hey, if you want your recipe cooked on the channel, make sure you put it down in the comments below and I will pick one every week to do. So let's start right in on making the burger. So we're gonna go in with 80-20 here. Of course, that's the best meat to cook with. What else would you use? So, and we got a 2 pounds here because I'm making about 8 different burgers. We got our 80-20 meat. And then we got a couple interesting ingredients. First, we got the Good S seasoning. You guys know I love the Good S seasoning, and it does really well. So we're gonna put some of that on the meat. Gotta give it good flavor. Then we gotta put a little bit ground mustard right here, and put a little bit of that on as well. Per King Gus, he said ground mustard, so we're putting ground mustard in. Let's get some dabadoo there. Okay, now this is where it gets a little interesting. We're gonna be using Quaker Oats here. That's what he says, a little bit of this. So we're gonna try this bad boy out. Put a little bit of that in there, got our oats. Yummy, yummy. Then, I'm not making this up, French onion packet. You've seen the crack burger video. We're gonna do French onion packet. So let's take a look at this thing. We're gonna put this in here, right here. Pour that all in there as well. That's gonna be good. Then we gotta put in a little bit of Wash Your Sister sauce. I know you guys know about that. Gotta have that in there as well. Put that and mix with our meat. Left to do is to mix. That's what we gotta do. So let's get this mixed up together. Wear gloves if you're so happy to. I don't wear gloves. I wash my hands. Don't worry. But King Gus, we're gonna put your recipe to the test. I'm really hoping it's gonna taste good. I got little mouths to feed with the kiddos, and we're gonna see today if this one is kid tested, father approved. King Gus on TikTok says it is. All right, mixed up, ready to go. But before we start putting these into balls, I wanna make our burger sauce. So let's make our burger sauce. Now, I saw Chef Nate and CJ do this the other day and I had to copy, I'm not gonna lie. We got some mayonnaise here. They use Duke's. We don't have Duke's on the West Coast. So we're gonna do just a Kraft's mayo avocado oil blend. We got 2 scoops of that. We're gonna put a little bit of pickle juice in here, because why not? That little, there we go. Then we're gonna take our lime over here and we're gonna chop that. Put that in here, right here. Half a little bit of lime. Put that in there, yummy, yummy. Now here's the unique part. We're gonna do the chipotle peppers right here, but I know what you're thinking. Are you gonna put the peppers in? No, we're not gonna put the peppers in. We are going to open this bad boy and we are not gonna hurt ourselves when we open it. And we're just gonna use the juice that is in there. We're not gonna use the, what is it called? The adobe sauce. That's what we're gonna use for our burger. We're not gonna use the peppers. So we're gonna pour that in there. Real simple and easy burger sauce. Anybody can do. And we're just gonna mix it. You get our burger sauce here all dialed in. You can go on any kind of meat. I'm doing it on the burgers. But it's real simple, easy, spicy goodness on all the burgers. Yummy, yummy in your tummy. So, all right, we got our burger sauce ready to go. Let's cook these, okay? We got meat, we got our balls right here. We're gonna put them down. Ooh, we love that sizzle. That's what we like to hear. We got our griddle, it's right around 400. You can get a thermometer in there and test it out. You want a nice hot burger. Hot cast iron on that griddle. And we'll put it right there. Okay, now we'll smash them down a little bit. Let them cook a little bit, then we're gonna smash them down. Trick, nice easy trick to do on that. Take your spatula, just push them down. And if they stick, you can slide them off, but they usually fall off like that. So, nice, simple, easy to do. Look at that. They smell good. We're gonna see if our viewer gave us the right information. We're gonna let them cook for a few minutes. Then we'll flip them. Then we'll add some cheese on them. But in the first, I gotta throw on the Red Robin seasoning here because if you know, you know. You just got to do it. I know I put the Good S on. I like to top it off with this little bad boy right here. Like I said, if you know, you know. It's not a sponsored video unless Red Robin wants to reach out. But here, top them off with that. Yeah, that. Tastes so good. Get that on there. Then we'll flip them, put cheese on them, and then we're going to try them out. Make sure that these are the ones, because I've been told they are. Let's flip these guys. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip them towards the middle because I want to put the cheese on, and I want to put them over the dome. So, and that'll help the cheese melt quicker. So, a little trade secret there. There we go. Put them all together. Little maids in a row right there. A little dark, don't worry about that. That's what the cheese for. We're going to cover these bad boys up with American cheese and not burn ourselves. You can use whatever cheese you want. You can use cheddar, pepper jack. I'm going to do American. It melts the quickest. And it just tastes good on a burger. There we go. There we go. And then, like I said, the last trick to melt it even faster on your Blackstone is to put the dome over. I'll give it a few minutes, get that all melted, and then these will be done. Let's check these out. Oh, yeah, cheesy goodness. That's what we like. All right, let's get them off. Let's get them on our tray. And then we're going to try these. Let's try this bad boy. Looks really good. Taste, about to find out. Oh, weird. That's good. I guess we have been lied to. You want more recipes like this? Click or touch the screen now. I'll catch you in the next cook.